How to cancel orders on Amazon. Change your mind about the order. This guide shows you how to cancel orders on Amazon so you can cancel an order that you don't want. First, open the Amazon shopping app and go to the main menu right here. Tap on your orders to see a list of all your recent orders. You'll see the status of each order, whether it's shipped, delivered, or in transit. Find the order that you want to cancel and tap on View or Edit Order button. On the next page, you'll see a button that says Cancel Items. Tap on it to start the cancellation process. You may need to select a reason for the cancellation. Please know that you can only cancel an order if it has not been shipped. If the order has already been shipped, you'll need to return it for a refund. Once the order is cancelled, you'll receive a confirmation email and you'll get a refund. You now know how to cancel orders on Amazon. Get ready to cancel orders that you don't want. Like and subscribe for more app tips.